Hi, I'm Dofu. Let's play a game. Look at the shadow and guess. What is this? It has a screen and a keyboard. We use it to learn and type. Can you guess? You're right, it's a computer. A computer is a useful machine. We use a computer to learn, type, and find information. Look carefully. It heats food very fast. The food spins inside. Can you guess? Great job! It's a microwave. A microwave makes food hot in minutes. When we take the food out, it can be very hot, so be careful. Can you guess what this is? It moves around and helps clean the house. It is very smart. Yes, it's a cleaning robot. A cleaning robot moves by itself. It goes around the room and cleans the floor. When it finishes, the floor looks shiny and neat. Can you guess what this is? It washes clothes automatically. The clothes spin around inside while it washes. You got it! It's a washing machine. A washing machine cleans clothes using electricity. It helps us do less housework. When it finishes, the clothes are fresh and ready to wear. Wow, this one looks tricky. It watches over the house to keep it safe. Can you guess what it is? Correct! It's a security camera. A security camera can see what happens in the house. It helps keep the house safe. People can watch it on a computer or phone. Let's see all the cool machines again. Computer, microwave, cleaning robot, washing machine, security camera. These machines help us in many ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can learn more fun English together. See you soon.